the tour of the house or the apartment. This is the entry. The living room. Let's go to the kitchen. Quite compact, but not bad for occasion. Everything that you need. TV corner. Oh, and a small balcony. A little view of the area. So this is where the bedrooms are. The first bedroom, smaller one. And Ghanaian way of building. Separate shower. And a separate toilet. Which I think in terms of hygiene it does make sense. And the sink, I'm always baffled about it, why they place it outside, as you can see, but it does make sense. The second bedroom, it's really hot in here. And then lastly, the master bedroom. This is where I'm staying right now. It's really good size. My luggages. And a makeup table. A must have. So my stuff is still packed. And then the bathroom, shower, very compact also, with a toilet. And this is where the shower is. Can you see that little green curtain? That's supposed to be the curtain, so I placed the towel in front of it as the builders on the other side can literally see what is happening in the shower. We can't have that. Okay, so this is the tour of the second place I'm currently staying at. I had to move from downstairs because they are doing some work, and yeah, I think this is really good. I like the living room. It's spacious. I wish I had something like this in London. It would be amazing. So I'm going to town right now. Maybe I'll film later.